Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined by Stefan König. He is Managing Director at Optima. Stefan, welcome to the studio.
Yeah, thank you for having me here. Yeah.
So, we're here today to talk about balancing sustainability and efficiency in packaging processes. But before we get into the topic, could you tell us a little bit about Optima?
Yeah, Optima is a beautiful company in Schwäbisch Hall, yeah, in the southern part of Germany. We have a history of 100 years already. We are a special machine builder for filling and packaging equipment, especially for challenging products. Yeah, so this might be pharmaceuticals, consumer products, life science products, and others.
Okay, that's perfect background. So lots of expertise across different industries. That's important for us to know. So let's get into the topic. What are the main challenges customers face when implementing sustainable packaging solutions? And from your perspective, share a little bit about how Optima and Rockwell help address some of these challenges.
Yeah, I mean, most customers, they have now committed to tough targets concerning sustainability, whether it's commitments to the Ellen Arthur Foundation, SBTI targets, yeah, anything related to CO2 reduction. So now they are under pressure to do something and they want to do something. But at the same time, we have a lot of inflation, yeah, a lot of cost pressures coming up, yeah. So we need to do this innovation at the same cost as today. Yeah, and that is, I think, our task to contribute to that. Yeah, by having super efficient production. Yeah, and thinking about not only innovation but innovation at the same costs we have today.
Stefan, share with me how consumer perceptions of sustainability and material choices, such as paper versus plastic, are influencing the development of new packaging solutions in the industry.
Yeah, the topic is that usually the customers cannot distinguish between complex and difficult to recycle plastics and monoplastics, which is a good plastics, yeah, also and will also maintain in the industry. So the perception for paper is much better than for plastics. This is why we say we fully focus currently on paper solutions. Social media will also at the end promote that. Yeah? So we put our R&D effort now into new materials, into new manufacturing processes for paper, and there's a lot, yeah, because paper, for example, can be formed in different ways. Yeah, it can be deep drawn, it can be manufactured like we know that from cans to go cups. Yeah, and there's new technologies like wet pulp molding, dry forming. Yeah, so we all look into that. Yeah, to get new innovative products with paper on the market.
Can you share with the audience a specific example of a successful partnership or project with Optima and Rockwell that have led to a more sustainable packaging solution for a customer?
Yeah, I can pick one. Yeah, we would have more. In the non-wovens industry, we had the challenge that our customer wanted to change from plastic bags to cartons, but not for all. Yeah, but they said, yeah, we have low volumes of these cartons and super high format flexibility, which means from to go fem care products up to big packages for diapers, yeah, adult care and such. So we needed a machine who's able to do cartoning, yeah, for a wide range, yeah, including being also able still to pack plastic bags. So we have developed a complete new high-speed cartoner together with Rockwell. Yeah, we have the iTrack, yeah, as the main transport system in it. The line is completely done with Rockwell technology, automation technologies, and we use the iTrack to clamp formatless the cartons, yeah, so the operators can do a real push button changeover.
Interesting example. Stefan, as sustainability becomes a more prominent concern in the packaging industry, how do you see emerging technologies such as AI or digital technologies or automation contributing to the development of more sustainable packaging processes and materials?
I would refer maybe to two or three things. One is the first thing is, of course, we always look into new technologies, but we must also make sure that the newcomers who often have innovative ideas know about what is already possible today. Yeah, so in robotics and in automation. So the first thing is to contact the innovators, the small companies with best partners like us. To show them what's already possible with the current state of technologies. And then the second is, of course, to use more AI technologies in the future. in our company, we will use it mainly for the usability of lines, because frankly speaking, most HMIs are still quite stupid. Yeah, yeah. And if an operator presses 3 times the reset button, maybe the machine should give him some advice what to do. Yeah, so some learnings about how to go with mistakes in the line. So these kind of things, I think AI for usability is a topic. Yeah, and the third thing is, I mean, we calculate now the product carbon footprint of our machines. And calculation means we have data, yeah, so we can set targets, and then we give targets to automation technologies as well, yeah, so how to control the processes in a way that energy consumption is reduced. And when we dig into that, since we started to dig into that, we see that there's still a 20-30% potential, yeah, just in the same technologies by better controlling the processes. So also using that technologies in automation, yeah, will serve our customer targets.
Excellent. What advice would you give companies looking to make their packaging processes more sustainable while also maintaining efficiency and meeting customer expectations?
Yeah, first thing is what we love is when customers see also the chance to change the product and the packaging and the production. Yeah, because for example, if you change a product from wet to dry, yeah, to or from a big package to a concentrate which needs much less packaging, then of course we can contribute at most. Yeah, so the most important is it possible to change the whole product, the packaging, the pack style, and then the machine, yeah, and bring an innovation, yeah, with a big effect to the market. And we need these kind of things to have also volume effects, not only the showcase products, but we need really the volume products for that. And furthermore, of course, let's say we should not forget the people in the factories. Yeah, so we need machines maybe highly automated, super efficient, but still being able to operate them. Yeah? And maybe a third recommendation is on the customer side, really to talk with companies like us about factory of the future. Yeah, let us get inspired by other sectors, yeah, like automotive. Yeah, what is possible, and really let's draw out a picture of the factories of the future, and then work together in that direction. Yeah, and then by that we can bring the know-how of best partners really together for the future concepts.
Stefan, thank you for joining us in the studio today. I think you've given our audience a lot to think about, so thank you very much.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about sustainable packaging solutions and automation technologies, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.